Hi everyone, my name is Bhuvan and I'm going to say Proverbs chapter 31 verse 1 to 31. The words of King Laman that then chooses mother taught him. What my son and what son of my wombs and what son of my woes? Do not give a thing to woman otherwise that destroy kings. It's not for kings to lamel, it's not for kings to drink wine, not prince intoxicating drink, lest they drink and forget the land power justice to all the afflicted. Give strong drink to those who are perishing and wine to those who are bitter of heart. Let them drink and forget their poverty and remember their misery no more. Open your mouth for the speeches for the cause of all who are appointed to die. Open your mouth and judge righteously and plead the cause of the poor and needy. Who can find a witness fair for her worth is far more than rubies. The heart of her husband safely trusts to learn no lack of gain. She does them good and no evil all the days of her life. She seeks wool and flax and works willingly with her hands. She is like a merchant. She brings food from the afar. She also rises well at night and provides food for the household and a portion for the maidservants. She considers her field and buys it, and with her profit she plants a vineyard. She girds herself with strength and strengthens her arms. She perceives that her merchandise is good, and the lamp does not go out by night. She stretches her hand to the distaff, and her hand holds a spindle. She extends her hand to the poor. She reaches her hand to the needy. She's not afraid of the snow for her household is clothed by scarlet. She makes a tracery for herself, and her clothing is fine linen and purple. Her husband is known in the gates, and when he sits among the elders of the land, she makes linen garments and sells them, and provides sashes for the merchants. Strength and honor are her clothing, and she'll rejoice in time to come. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and her tongue is the law of kindness. She watches over her ways of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children rise up and call her blessed. Her husband also answers. All the daughters are envious, but he excelled them all. Charm is deceitful and beauty is passing, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised. Give her the fruit of her own work, and let her own work praise her in the gates. Thank you.